Jai Hind everyone. Today we will understand the relationship between India and China. I will cover this topic into 5 parts. First, introduction. Second, historical background. Third, areas of cooperation. Fourth, challenges. And fifth, the way forward. Starting from the introduction, India and China are the world's two oldest civilizations and the world's two largest populated countries. And India and China are global economic powers. So, understanding the relation between both the nations contributes a large share of global order and stability in the world. Now, coming to the historical background, India and China, after the independence of India, they both started relation between the nations. And India was the first nation to recognize People's Republic of China. And Hindi Chini Bhave slogan at that time, 1952, showcased the mutual relations and friendly relations between both the nations. But after the border disputes, China showed its real face by, and we have seen in the past, the 1962 Sino-Indian War, which also represented the weak preparedness of Indian Army and Indian Armed Forces. Now coming to the areas of cooperation, both nations cooperate in trade and economy. China is the largest trading partner of India, and the trade reached to $100 billion. And cooperate. Secondly, coming to the cooperation on global platforms such as BRICS, SCO, UN. These both nations contribute and talk to each other through dialogues on these platforms. And we have also seen the Asian Infrastructure Bank, which also, and India and China are the two, both nations contribute in it and also have a same common interest for the developing countries. Now, second, in defense, we have hand in hand military exercise with China. Now, coming to the challenges, India and China are the two strategic countries having strategic rivalry. First of all, China's interest in Pakistan and, and providing military equipment for the Pakistan which supports terrorism. Second, border disputes between the nations like in Aksai Chin, Ladakh and in Arunachal Pradesh. Third, its growing influence in the countries like Nepal, Bangladesh is a serious concern for the sovereignty of India and increasing power of China in the Indian Ocean region and South China Sea. Its increasing presence, naval power presence of China is a concern for India. These are some challenges. Now coming to the way forward. We should talk to each other through dialogue, diplomacy and cooperate on economy so that both nations can mutually benefit from the trade, because at the present India is in trade deficit and a high trade deficit. So we should also respect the sovereignty and integrity of each other and should talk regularly for the border disputes like Aksai Chin and Arunachal Pradesh areas. At the last, I would like to conclude my topic that India and China are the two major powers of Asia and holds capacity to change the world order. So the stability at the border ensures the stability and growth of both the nations. At last, I would also like to say that India should provide support where necessary. So balance its national interest always and every time. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.